Number 6 is another basic polynomial subtraction hidden in a complicated word problem. They're telling you that P of x, which is the profit, is equal to R of x minus C of x. They tell you R of x is this expression and C of x is this expression. All they're telling you to do is to subtract them. So here is my problem. I have negative 0.5x squared plus 800x minus 100 minus 300x. And remember, you have to distribute this minus sign, so you have minus 250. Combining like terms, plus 500x minus 350. Choice number 2. What is one point that lies in the solution set of the system of inequalities? Remember, the solution set is the area where they overlap, where it's more of like a checkerboard. It's all these squares, little boxes. Okay, so which of these numbers occurs in that set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like choice 1 right off the bat. 3, 0 actually lies on the dotted line, which doesn't work. 0, 7's way up here, and negative 3, 5's over here somewhere. Okay, so choice number 1. Number 8 asks for the x-intercept. So to find the x-intercept, you're going to plug in 0 for y. Remember, you're plugging it in for the opposite letters. So if this is 4x minus 5y equals 40, I'm going to plug in 0 for y. X equals 10, choice 1. Another alternate way would be to take 4x minus 5y equals 40. Put it in standard form. Solve for y, and you get 4/5 x minus 8. Now this tells you the y-intercept. They did ask for the x-intercept, so what I would do is I would graph this in your calculator and look to see where it crosses the x-axis. Number 9, Sam and Jerry have ages that are consecutive odd integers. The product of their ages is 783. Which equation could be used to find their age? Examples of consecutive odd integers are 13 and 15. 1 and 3. These are examples of consecutive odd integers. They're in a row, they're odd. Now, if I wanted my odd integer to be x, if x represented my odd integer, well, what would be the next one? People say y, people also say z, but in terms of x, what did I add to 13 to get to 15? What did I add to 1 to get to 3? Well, you added 2. In this case, Jeremy's age is J. So if this is his age, J, and then the consecutive odd integer of that would be J plus 2. Now, why am I multiplying? Because it says the product of their ages is 783. Simplifying this, you have choice 3. In number 10, a population initially has 20 birds approximately and doubles every 10 years. Now, a doubling function, the graph's going to grow exponentially, so it's going to look like this. It's not going to look like a line. It's not going to look like a parabola. Okay, line. But now notice this one goes down. It's telling you the population's increasing. It's not decreasing, so it's not choice 2. Okay. Well, now we're trying to decide. Which one of these it is. Well, notice the important information says it initially has 20 birds. This one starts at 20 at number of birds. It's choice 3.